Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we will be seeing a quick look at canva.com. So canva.com is a graphical designing website, so you can design images and videos to your presentation and other purposes that you need images and videos designed. So first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome and type in canva.com and then click on enter. After you sign in, you will be seeing a page that looks like this. So in today's video, I'll be designing a intro video to my YouTube channel. So to the design, I'm going to be adding video, and to this tutorial I'm going to be using the Canva's free version, not the pro version. As you can see, there is the pro version. I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be using the free version. So because my channel is about technology, I'm going to be using this template right here, and then I'm going to be changing the text to my first name and my last name. And then if you want, you can change the font size, font color, alignment, and effects. I'm not going to be adding those. You can, if you want, you can add those. For the subtitle, I'm going to be adding weekly uploading tech videos. Yeah, so that looks good. So for the animation, I'm going to be adding tumble. You can add any if you want, but you can add any if you want, you can add any if you want, but you can't use this drift stump or these, because these are for the paid version. I'm going to be adding tumble, and so that looks good. So for the element, for the icon, the element, I'm going to be adding this, because that is what I used recently. Because of my channel is about technology, I'm going to be using that. And then for the color, I'm going to be using white. You can crop your picture, you flip it, or you can change the animation on this picture too. As you can see, in this as well, you can't use any of these because they are for the paid version. I'm going to be using this, and then no, I'm going to be using tumble for this as well. And then what you need to do is, I'm going to be resizing this a bit. That looks good. And then you can upload media from your device. You can add photos. You can add this is what I have recently used. You can add any if you want by searching, and then you can change the text, the style of your text. As you can see, there are various kind of text that you can use. So with that being said, there is two things that you need to do. If you want, you can change the duration of your video to that. That's very simple. You just need to click on the video file and click on right here, and then I'm going to be changing the duration to 6 seconds. Click on enter, and then it will increase the time of the video. And then lastly, download your video. Make sure that you have selected MP4 as the file type, and then click on download. After you click on download, you should see a progress bar down here, and after it reaches the end, you can download you should see your file right in here. Okay, As you could see, the downloading is finished. You can share the link of your video to anyone you want. So after you have downloaded this, you can change you can rename your file to whatever you want. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So as you could see, I'm really getting close to 20 subscribers, so please subscribe, that will mean a lot to me. So please like and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So guys, see you guys in another video.